very nice to see her here, strutting her strut as a nymph fairy.
Yes, and
Looking
alam naman
very
natin.
good.
Kilala
Yeah.
siya as the fresh like Dougie on TikTok ngayon.
Of
Siya yung
course.
nagsimula sa trend na yan.
Yes, totoo. And rightfully so, looking very fresh na fresh. The one and only Fiang Smith.
Yes. Hello, Fiang. Looking
Yes.
so beautiful.
Always killing us with her fierce looks.
Oo, aura.
Killing it.
Ganon.
And the cheerful langga of Cebu.
Ito naman, it's giving salamin-salamin. Candyland.
Very sweet
Diba?
ang atake ni Rain for her
Grabe.
Star Magic outfit.
Rain, salamin-salamin naman dyan.
Legit,
Entrata.
yes,
Ganon.
yes.
Oh my gosh, grabe. It was so fun chatting with Ate Maymay. Pero ngayon naman, let's go back to our white carpet, Emilio.
Yes, we have Colette Madelo, of course.
Yung love na naidulot po ng laruan na ito dun sa mga katanggap po sa laruan na to. Kasi Christmas is all about sharing naman po. So, yun yung gusto ko.